If you've ever purchased something from GameStop's website between August 2020 and April 2025 while being logged into Facebook at the same time, you might be part of a class action lawsuit you didn't even know existed. And now you may be eligible to claim either $5 in cash or a $10 GameStop voucher. This all stems from the case titled Aldana v. GameStop, Inc., a $4.5 million class action settlement that accuses GameStop of unlawfully sharing users' personal data with Facebook without proper consent. According to the lawsuit, when users were logged into Facebook and used the GameStop website, their private shopping activity and data may have been leaked back to Facebook via tracking tools like Metapixel, a serious violation of digital privacy. The company denies any wrongdoing, but they've agreed to settle the matter regardless. Now here's the deal. The deadline to submit your claim is August 15, 2025. All you need is to confirm that you made at least one qualifying purchase from the GameStop site while logged into Facebook. No proof required for most claims. Many people online are talking about it, debating whether it's worth bothering for such a small payout. On one hand, $5 doesn't go far, and the GameStop voucher is only useful if you plan to shop there again. But on the other hand, the money is real, the form takes just a couple of minutes. And for some, it's about holding companies accountable for data misuse, not just the cash. This isn't some random scam or too good to be true internet promise, it's a verified class action with an official website, real deadlines, and terms clearly laid out. Whether you decide to file or not, the bigger conversation here is about privacy, user consent, and how much of our information is silently shared online without us even realizing.